Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here.
Today, we're talking about ordering fast food.
And before we begin, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us, and it helps more learners find these simple English conversations.
And today is a very useful topic because many people know English at home but freeze when they must speak fast in public.
Yes, fast food places are quick, busy, and sometimes a little stressful.
Especially when the person at the counter says something very fast and you smile like you understood everything.
Yes, that smile means I understood nothing, but I am still trying to look calm.
Exactly.
So today, we will make it easier.
We will talk like real people with simple English, easy phrases, and natural little moments.
Let's start with a simple question, Hope.
Okay, what is it?
Why is ordering fast food hard for many English learners?
I think there are 3 big reasons.
Tell us.
First, the menu is big. Second, people speak quickly. Third, you feel pressure because other people are waiting.
Yes, that pressure is real.
Sometimes you know the words, but your mouth becomes slow.
That happens to many people. Even if your English is good, you can still feel nervous in a real situation.
So, if that happens to you, it does not mean your English is bad.
It just means you need practice with real-life speaking.
And fast food English is actually very practical.
Yes, you do not need a long conversation.
Usually, you only need short, clear sentences.
For example, can I get a cheeseburger, please?
Or, I'd like a small fries and a cola, please.
Very simple.
Let's talk about the first step, walking to the counter.
Good idea. When you arrive, the worker may say, "Hi, can I help you?"
Or, what can I get for you?
Or sometimes, "Are you ready to order?"
That last one can be scary when you are not ready.
Yes, because the true answer is emotionally, no. Spiritually, no. In English, also no.
Oh no, that is too real.
But in simple English, you can say, "One moment, please."
Yes, very useful.
Or, "I need a minute, please."
Or even, I'm still looking.
These are polite and easy.
And they give you time to breathe.
Then, when you are ready, you can begin.
One easy way is to say, can I get?
For example, "Can I get a chicken sandwich, please?"
Another easy way is, I'd like.
For example, "I'd like a burger and fries, please."
Both are natural.
Yes, both sound normal in everyday English.
Mark, which one do you use more?
Probably, "Can I get?"
Ah, very casual.
Yes, maybe too casual.
I knew it.
But "I'd like" sounds a little softer.
Yes, and both are perfect for learners.
Now let's talk about meal words.
Good, because menus often have sets, combos, sizes, and extras.
Right. You may hear words like meal, combo, small, medium, and large.
A worker may ask, do you want the meal?
What does that mean?
Usually it means the main food, plus fries, plus a drink.
So if you only want the sandwich, say, "Just the sandwich, please."
And if you want the full set, say, yes, I want the meal, please.
Then they may ask, "What size?"
Small, medium, or large.
Very common question.
So you can answer, medium, please.
Short and easy.
What about drinks?
Yes, they often ask, "What would you like to drink?"
Then you can say, a cola, please, or orange juice, please,
Or, "Just water, please."
which is the sentence I say, and then 5 seconds later, I look at the milkshake picture.
Yes, the healthy plan ends very fast.
Exactly. Very, very fast.
Menus are dangerous.
No, Mark. Your hunger is dangerous.
That may be true.
Let's continue.
Sometimes the worker asks questions about your food.
Yes, for example, do you want cheese?
Do you want onions?
Do you want ketchup?
Do you want anything else?
These little questions are very common.
And your answers can stay very simple.
Yes, please.
No, thank you.
Just a little ketchup, please.
No onions, please.
Notice that you do not need long grammar.
Right. Clear words are enough.
What if someone wants to change the order?
Good question. That happens a lot.
For example, no pickles, extra cheese, no ice, less sauce,
Then you can say, no pickles, please.
extra cheese, please.
No ice in the drink, please.
Can I have extra sauce?
Very useful phrases.
And if you are not sure what a food item is, you can ask politely.
Like what?
What comes with that?
Yes.
Or, what is in that burger?
Or, is it spicy?
That one is very important for some people.
Yes, because sometimes a little spicy means your mouth will remember it all day.
Oh, yes.
And your drink becomes your best friend.
True.
Another common fast food situation is not hearing clearly,
Yes, maybe the place is noisy.
or the worker speaks quickly.
In that case, do not panic.
You can say, sorry?
Or, can you say that again, please?
Or, can you speak a little more slowly, please?
That is a great sentence.
Yes, polite and clear.
Many learners are afraid to ask.
But asking is better than pretending.
Yes, because pretending can bring you 3 burgers, 2 fish sandwiches, and a giant lemonade you never wanted.
That sounds very specific, Hope.
I am not saying it happened, but I am also not saying it did not happen.
Oh no.
Anyway, asking again is normal.
Even native speakers ask people to repeat things.
So please remember that.
Now let's talk about eating in or taking the food away.
Yes, in some places they ask, for here or to go?
Or eat in or take away.
These can be confusing at first.
But the meaning is simple.
For here means you will eat there.
To go or take away means you will leave with the food.
So you can answer, to go please.
Or for here, please.
Easy.
Then comes payment.
A very important moment.
The worker may say, that'll be $8, or any other price.
Then you can say, here you go.
If you are paying by card, you can simply use the card and say thank you.
Or ask, can I pay by card?
Good one.
And if you only have cash?
Then just hand it over and say, here you are.
Small phrases, but very natural.
Sometimes after payment, they give you a number.
Yes, and then you wait.
They may say, order number 23.
Then you listen for your number.
Or they may call your food directly.
Like, large chicken meal.
Then 10 people look at the counter at the same time.
Yes, and everyone suddenly becomes large chicken meal.
Exactly.
Let's do a small example.
Good idea.
I will be the worker.
And I will order.
Hi, what can I get for you?
I'd like a cheeseburger meal, please.
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
And what would you like to drink?
A cola, please.
Anything else?
Yes. Can I get one apple pie, too?
Of course. For here or to go?
To go, please.
That'll be $9.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order number is 14.
Thank you.
See? That is a full fast food conversation. And it is still very simple.
Yes, because each line has a clear job.
Ask, answer, choose, pay, Done.
Beautiful structure.
You sound very proud of the burger system.
I respect clear systems.
And fries.
Yes, and fries.
Honest answer.
Now let's talk about drive-through English,
Ooh, yes. That can feel even harder.
because the voice comes through a speaker.
And sometimes the sound is not very clear.
Right. So in a drive-through, simple English becomes even more important.
The worker may say, "Welcome, what can I get for you?"
Then you can answer slowly and clearly.
For example, "Can I get 2 chicken burgers, 1 medium fries, and 1 cola, please?"
Good. Say the words one by one.
Not too fast, not too quiet.
And if they ask something you do not understand, ask again.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Very useful in a drive-through.
Also, maybe do not change your whole order 5 times.
Yes, the speaker does not enjoy that.
Actually, no fries. Wait, yes, fries. No, onion rings. No, back to fries.
The worker is thinking, please, I just want peace.
Exactly.
Another real situation is when something is wrong with the order.
Yes, that happens too.
Maybe they forgot your drink.
Maybe the burger is not the one you ordered.
You can still speak politely.
For example, "Excuse me, I think this is the wrong order."
Or, sorry, I ordered fries, but I didn't get them.
Or, "I asked for no onions."
Calm voice, simple words.
You do not need to sound angry.
Yes, polite English works well.
What about sauces?
Ah, yes, the famous sauce question.
The most serious question in some fast food places.
Very serious.
They may ask, "What sauce would you like?"
Then you can say, ketchup, please. Or barbecue sauce, please.
"Can I have 2 sauces, please?"
Also useful.
And if they forget the sauce, some people become deeply sad.
Yes, because nuggets without sauce can feel like a personal problem.
It really can.
Let's talk about confidence.
Yes, because language is not only words.
Sometimes people know the words, but they speak too softly because they feel shy.
So here is a helpful tip.
Before you go to the counter, decide your order in your mind.
Yes, choose the main food, the size, and the drink.
Then practice one sentence.
For example, "Can I get a medium chicken meal and a cola, please?"
One strong sentence can carry the whole moment.
Also, look at the menu first. Do not wait until the worker is staring at you.
Yes, because panic reading is not real reading.
That is true.
Panic reading is just looking with fear.
Exactly.
Another good tip is to learn common menu words.
Such as burger, fries, nuggets, combo, meal, drink, sauce, size.
Add words you personally use often.
Yes, learn English for your real life, not for a test.
Hope, what is the easiest full sentence for a beginner?
I would say, "Can I get a burger meal and a cola, please?"
Very good.
Because from that one sentence, you can change many things.
Burger becomes sandwich.
Cola becomes water.
Meal becomes fries only.
And little by little, you build confidence.
That is how real speaking grows.
Not with perfect grammar first, but with useful speaking first.
I really like that.
Thank you.
Let's do another short role play, but this time with a small problem.
Okay, I'm ready.
You are the worker again.
Hi, are you ready to order?
Yes, please. Can I get a fish burger meal?
What size would you like?
Large, please.
And what would you like to drink?
Lemon soda, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Great, that'll be $10.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Then I get the food, but there are no fries.
Oh no.
So I go back and say, "Excuse me, I think my fries are missing."
Perfect. Very natural.
And then maybe the worker says, "I'm sorry about that."
And gives you the fries.
Happy ending.
A beautiful story of loss and recovery.
Yes, a deep story.
Very emotional fries.
Now, maybe some listeners are thinking, what if my accent is not perfect?
That is a very important question.
Your accent does not need to be perfect.
You only need to be understandable.
Clear words, calm speaking, simple phrases.
That is enough for a fast food order.
And every real conversation makes you stronger.
Yes, even one burger can help your English.
That sounds like a channel quote.
It should be on a t-shirt.
One burger can help your English.
I would wear that.
Me too.
But really, practice in real life is powerful.
Even if the first time feels awkward.
The second time is easier.
Then the third time feels normal.
And one day, you order fast food in English without fear.
That is a great feeling.
Before we finish, let's say a few very useful phrases one more time. Naturally, inside conversation.
Good idea.
Can I get a burger, please?
I'd like medium fries, please.
What comes with that?
No onions, please.
Can I have extra sauce?
For here, please.
To go, please.
Can you say that again, please?
I need a minute, please.
Those little sentences can help a lot.
And you do not need to memorize 20 difficult expressions.
Just learn the few phrases you really need.
Then, use them in real life.
And be kind to yourself while learning.
Yes, learning English is not about sounding perfect all the time.
It is about connecting, ordering, asking, answering, living your life in English.
Even in a busy fast food place.
With fries.
Always with fries.
Yes.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this conversation helped you feel more ready to order fast food in English.
And we hope you enjoyed spending this time with us.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and write in the comments what topic you want in the next episode.